Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to generate another thumbnail for my video. This is a YouTube thumbnail generator that I found recently, and I'm actually in love with it. It is pretty straightforward. I used to create stuff in Canva, I still do, but I'm using some of these to actually finalize them and kind of put other elements within the thumbnail in itself. Because what I've noticed is that YouTube algorithm don't really like just images like this. For some reason, it likes to see your face, or it likes to see the face of somebody in it, from what I've noticed. So I'm just testing different things. In YouTube, you actually have the opportunity to upload a video with 3 thumbnails. Then YouTube itself will try to get these 3 thumbnails kind of cycled in to see which one has the most engagement, and then based on the engagement it'll display the one that is the winner. So I'm using this one. I'm using other techniques to kind of see which ones I like, but again, so all I'm doing since I started recently my channel is I'm just testing. I'm just putting content out there, just documenting my journey, kind of gathering data from the analytics in YouTube, and just trying to see if I see any patterns. I'm just trying to see what works so that I can continue to push content, and it pretty much gets to more people that this can help. Okay. So for this one specifically, instead of saying YouTube thumbnail maker, I'm gonna do YouTube thumbnail generator. It's gonna take probably less than 30 seconds. I could probably do another one that says YouTube thumbnail creator. And I'm just using these words as well, just because those are high keyword traffic in SEO based on some research that I've done. Okay. So again, just testing a few things, testing traffic strategies just to see if I can optimize the description, optimize the videos, get more traffic to the videos. So it's create stunning thumbnails. It's the same as this one, creator. Let's just say black background, use black. And use these words. Again, I don't know if it's going to do it or not because it's AI, but as you can see, some of these AIs, they have good letters and good written content on top of them. There are some other ones that, it kind of missed, but most of them, the ones that I created, as you can see. So this one, eye-catching thumbnail, II. So this one, I miss this II. Create stunning thumbnails, skincare secrets, create stunning thumbnails. Okay, let's see. Create stunning thumbnails. All right, I'm not very, very, very happy of these thumbnails, but again, it's all kind of hit and miss. Some of these I really love, some of these I like, some of them I'm not really too happy about, and that's why you just try new things. Okay, I don't want to keep you too much longer, but I wanted to give you an opportunity to see this tool. Is ni3.app. You can test it yourself. It's pretty inexpensive. Get some credits, test it out, and just try new things for your information and for your future projects. All right. See you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.